Download the free practice worksheet on this topic or take a practice quiz at Mathcation.com. Welcome back to another awesome math video from Mathcation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert decimals to percents. When converting decimals to percents, we have three important things that we can remember that will help us change that decimal to a percent. Well, the first thing we can do is we can remove the percent sign. Percentage sign is just a symbol that looks like that. We don't need that when we're converting decimals to percents. The word percent means per 100 or out of 100. So in order to change the decimal to a percent, you're going to divide the number by 100. When you divide the number by 100, you will be moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. You will add a 0 if you move the decimal point and there isn't a number. 0 is going to be the placeholder for a spot if there is no number. The shortcut for dividing by 100 is just taking the decimal point and moving it 2 places to the left. So you don't have to actually do the math for dividing by 100. You can just move the decimal place twice to the left. And if you're learning anything right now, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on other helpful math videos. Let's go ahead and get started on our first practice problem for converting percents to decimals. You can see this problem gives us 45%. We're going to change this percentage into a decimal. What we can do is we can get rid of the percentage symbol, so we're just going to write 45. I know my decimal point starts right here. Now, percent means per 100, and to get out of 100, and that means we have to divide 45 by 100. And the shortcut for doing that is just moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. And it's going to end up right there. So our solution to 45% as a decimal is going to be 0.45. So we just took that decimal point and we moved it twice to the left as a shortcut. Moving on to the next problem. This problem gives us 122%. We're going to rewrite the number as 122. I know my decimal point is right here, and I have to move it twice to the left because this is a percentage and we have to divide by 100. So I'm going to go once, twice to the left, and my decimal point ends up in between the 1 and the 2. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1.22. And this is going to be our decimal for 122%. So 122% as a decimal is 1.22. Finally, our last problem is number 3. This problem gives us 4%. So I'm going to rewrite 4% as just 4. I know the decimal point starts here. And again, we have to move it 2 times to the left. Now this time when you move it once, it's fine. But when you move it a second time, there is no number here. Anytime you have a problem where there is no number, you're going to add a 0 as a placeholder. That means you still move it twice, but you just have to add a 0 to take up that position because you're missing another number. And then I'm going to rewrite this as 0.04 as our decimal for 4%. So 4% as a decimal is 0.04. And if you want to do some more practice on converting percents to decimals, go ahead and click the link in the top right part of this video to get taken to a practice quiz that will grade itself and tell you how you did. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you got something out of it and drop a comment telling me if this video helped you or if you need help with something else. See ya!